Hotels are made for 2-night stays, checking in and out, meeting strangers in the lobby, waking up and leaving town the next day. But love ain't. And whiskey's poured for when you're bored and alone on Friday night, when you wanna lose yourself and need a place to hide from all the pain. But love ain't. Love ain't you on a sidewalk in your new dress all alone. Love ain't you calling me 'cause he ain't picking up his phone. The way you're talking sounds like he's somebody you should hate. I mean, I know what love is, girl, but I know what love ain't. Come on, but let me show you what he can't, 'cause he can only show you what love ain't. Sad movies are for crying on the couch there in the dark. That sad song, it was written just to try and get your heart to break. But love ain't. Love ain't you on a sidewalk in your new dress all alone. Love ain't you calling me 'cause he ain't picking up his phone. The way you're talking sounds like he's somebody you should hate. I mean, I know what love is, girl, but I know what love ain't. Come on, but let me show you what he can't, 'cause he can only show you what love ain't. I'm wondering what he's doing, feeling like a foolin'. Keep letting him do it to you, 'cause love ain't you on a sidewalk in your new dress all alone. Love ain't you calling me 'cause he ain't picking up his phone. The way you're talking sounds like he's somebody you should hate. I mean, I know what love is, girl, but I know what love ain't. I mean, I know what love is, girl, but I know what love ain't. Come on, but let me show you what he can't, 'cause he can only show you what love ain't. Love ain't. Yeah. Love ain't.
Jeep tires burn my driveway black. I got my John Deere hat turned back. My brother says there's gonna be a fight, Sumter County Friday night. That's right. One black eye and 2 teeth later, Sumter High and the Lakewood Gators playing a little high school football. Brenda May and Nancy Bean waiting at the Dairy Queen. Jump in the back, take down the top. 28 minutes to Sparkleberry Swamp. Come over here and give me a kiss, Lord.